Bright Earth LED headlight bulbs throw extremely intense light with very little draw on your vehicle's electrical system, enhancing visibility substantially. While easing the burden on your vehicle's electrical system, these replacement LED bulbs are very energy efficient and will last you a lot longer than traditional halogen bulbs. These LED bulbs replace your old halogen bulbs and are easy to install. You simply replace your old bulbs with Bright Earth LED headlight bulbs. These easily clip in place. Reconnect or plug in depending on your application and reassemble the headlight. The ballast, voltage control, and current circuits are built into the compact heatsink for a clean installation. Using only 25 watts per bulb, they produce 6,000 lumens. The Bright Earth LED bulbs produce a bluish-white 6500 degree Kelvin color. 2 color films can be added to change the light color. The orange-yellow film creates a 3000 degree Kelvin yellow color for fog light applications, while an 8000 degree Kelvin color produces a blue color for fog light or headlight applications. Most Bright Earth LED bulbs feature an adjustment screw that allows the bulb to be rotated to adjust the beam pattern on your vehicle. 2 LED bulbs are included per package. Many late model vehicles may require a CAN bus decoder. The LED bulbs use so little energy that the vehicle computer thinks that the headlight bulbs might be burned out. These decoders will remedy that situation and correct any dash warning lights. If you're wanting brighter headlights that last a lot longer and use less energy, get some Bright Earth LED replacement headlight bulbs for your vehicle. Thanks for watching. For more information on Bright Earth LED products, visit Holley.com.